If you've ever sipped green tea and felt just a little clearer, calmer, or more focused, you might have catechins to thank. This video is for educational purposes only, and not a substitute for medical advice. Always consult your doctor before starting any supplement. Welcome to Health Nuggets, your ultimate source for bite-sized health wisdom. In today's ABC of supplements, where we steep big science into small sips of knowledge, catechins are a group of natural antioxidants found in plants, especially in green tea leaves as well as in dark chocolate, apples, and berries. They belong to the broader family of polyphenols, and their most well-known form is EGCG, epigallocatechin galate. It's the star of most green tea-based research. So what do? Catechins are best known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, but they've also been studied for supporting cardiovascular health, aiding metabolism and fat oxidation, enhancing brain function and focus, protecting against cellular aging. A 2010 review published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that catechins, particularly EGCG, may improve blood pressure regulation, LDL cholesterol levels, and even thermogenesis, your body's ability to burn calories more efficiently. In the brain, catechins may reduce oxidative stress and support cognitive performance, especially when paired with caffeine, as found naturally in green tea. But here's the catch. Catechins don't absorb well. Your body breaks them down quickly, and their bioavailability is relatively low. To increase absorption, consume catechins with vitamin C and avoid dairy products, which can interfere with their uptake. Also, green tea should be steeped in water just below boiling for optimal extraction. Now let's talk dosing. 250 to 500 milligrams of catechins per day, particularly EGCG, appears effective and safe for most adults. Too much, however, can cause nausea, liver strain, or digestive discomfort, especially when taken as a high-dose extract. In rare cases, liver toxicity has been reported with excessive EGCG supplementation. Interactions? Yes. Catechins can interfere with the absorption of iron, so it's best not to take them with iron-rich meals or supplements. They may also interact with blood pressure meds, stimulants, and certain chemotherapy drugs, not recommended for pregnant or breastfeeding women, unless advised by a healthcare provider. If you're supplementing, look for standardized green tea extract with a known EGCG content. Some formulas combine it with caffeine or L-theanine to enhance mental focus and alertness. Here's your practical tip. Steep high-quality green tea leaves in 70 to 80 degrees Celsius water for 3 minutes, and add a squeeze of lemon to increase antioxidant absorption. It's an easy way to get your daily dose without a pill. And here's a fun fact. The word catechin comes from the acacia plant, catechou, where the compound was first identified in the early 1800s. If this helped you rethink your next cup of tea, don't just sip in silence. Smash that subscribe button and join us at Health Nuggets, where smart science meets daily life.